What's the meaning of adult? Adult. 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 The term adult refers to a fully developed human being who has reached their physical and mental maturity. This stage of life is characterized by increased independence, responsibility, and decision-making ability. Typically, adulthood is marked by milestones such as completing education, entering the workforce, engaging in romantic relationships, and starting families. Generally, adults are expected to contribute to society through employment, paying taxes, and participating in civic activities. Overall, being an adult comes with both privileges and responsibilities, and it is typically seen as a significant milestone in a person's life.